Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to force quit the application in the MacBook or in the iMac. I'm going to show you the all the ways to force quit application on MacBook, also including when your MacBook is completely frozen. So let's start the process right away. So now let me start few of these programs and let me force quit them all. So basically there are three methods to force quit the application in your MacBook. So at first, the first option is to press Option, Command and Escape key all together and it will open this pop-up. So from here you can just choose the application using the Shift key and you can just choose to force quit everything. So this will automatically close all the applications which are frozen or running. So let's say towards the second method to force quit. If the shortcuts doesn't work, use this method. So to open the force quit, so click on the Apple icon up here and you'll see this force quit option. So you can again choose from here using the Shift and just choose everything to force quit. So now let's say towards the final method, and it is one of the important one. Even when your system is frozen, you can use this method to force quit every applications which are frozen, and you can also force quit the applications which was not shown in that pop-up. You need to press the Command key and the Space key. You will see this spotlight option here. Now you need to type for activity monitor. So this is the activity monitor. Double click on that. And now here you will see every applications which are running in the background. So you can just choose that application which is running in the background and close that. So now let me close this Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is running in the background and it is not shown in this force quit application pop-up. So you need to open this activity monitor to close this specific application which is running in the background. So for that, just choose this and you will see this option to close here. Now you just need to choose to force quit. So that is it. In this way you can choose any application which is running in the background or it is frozen from the activity monitor. So it is the best option to force quit any application whichever you want. So hey guys, thanks for watching. In this way you can force quit the frozen application in your MacBook or the iMac. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.